With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, the question is, a lot of 100 watches is known to have 10 defective watches. If 8 watches are selected one by one with replacement at random, what is the probability that there will be at least one defective watch? Okay, now here in each selection of watch, okay, there is replacement also. Okay, so in each selection of watch, probability of getting a defective watch would be, suppose denoted by a small p, is equal to 10 out of total 100. Okay, because 10 are defective watches out of 100, so the probability of getting is 10 out of 100. So this becomes equal to 1 by 10. Okay, now let q is the probability of getting not a defective watch, so it would be 1 minus p. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 by 10. So q is 9 by 10. Okay, probability of not getting a defective watch, and probability of getting a defective watch is p equal to 1 by 10. Okay, now we are doing 8 selection of watches. Okay, so this is a case of binomial trials. So here, according to binomial distribution, the probability of getting r successes in n trials is given as probability of getting r successes in n trials is given as p, probability of getting x equal to r successes is given as NCR p to the power r q to the power n minus r. Okay, where p is probability of success in each trial and q is probability of failure in each trial. Okay, here p and q are 1 by 10 and 9 by 10, and total number of trials, that is selection of watches, is 8. So here we have n equal to 8. And now in question we have been asked what is the probability that there will be at least one defective watch. Okay, so we can write probability of selecting at least one defective watch can be written as total probability minus probability of not getting any defective watch. Okay, we can write like this. So here this becomes equal to 1 minus probability of not getting any defective watch, that is out of 8. Okay, out of 8 trials, 0 successes, that is 0. 8c 0. Okay, probability of defective watch is 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 to the power 0, and q is 9 by 10. 9 by 10 to the power 8. Okay, 8 minus 0 is 8. So the probability becomes P is equal to 1 minus 8C0 is 1, and this is 9 by 10 to the power 8. So this is the final probability that there would be at least one defective watch in selection of 8 watches. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.